open Kali Linux. Then, open Kali terminal. First, we write pwd command. It shows current directory from where we are. Now, write ls. It shows list. But, there are many hidden files, which we can't see right now. So, we write ls-l, a. It shows all file, including hidden, and we can also see some extra like, file permission. Now, I want to change my directory. First we write l, s and c list and then write cd desktop and hit enter. Now, we will create some files on desktop. Now, in desktop, we already have two directory, data in school. We create two files. File 1.txt and file 2.txt. Now, we create one directory using mkdir command. See, we create one directory, named doc1. Wow, we know how to create files and directories. Now, we will learn how we can remove files and directories. First, we remove file, so write rm and file name, then hit enter. See, our file is removed. Now, we remove directory. But, we have two ways to remove our directory. Number one is rm directory name and -r. See, our directory is removed. And second way to remove our directory, write rmd, ir and file name and press enter. Next, we have clear command. And it is used to clear the screen. And the last one is exit command, and this command is used to exit from terminal. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe it for more video.